The benefits of selling buy here, pay here accounts. In the world of automotive sales, the buy here, pay here BH model has emerged as a unique and beneficial approach for both dealerships and customers. This model, where dealerships finance car purchases in-house, has gained traction, especially among buyers with less than perfect credit scores. However, an often overlooked aspect of this model is the potential benefits for dealerships when they sell these accounts. Let's delve into why selling BH accounts can be advantageous for dealerships. 1. Immediate cash flow boost. One of the most significant benefits of selling BH accounts is the immediate injection of cash flow into the business. When a dealership sells its loan portfolio to a financial institution or an investor, it receives a lump sum payment. This immediate capital can be pivotal for the dealership's operations, allowing for inventory expansion, facility upgrades, or even paying off debts. 2. Risk mitigation. BH accounts inherently carry a higher risk due to the nature of the clientele they serve. By selling these accounts, dealerships can transfer the risk of loan defaults to the purchasing party. This risk transfer is particularly beneficial for smaller dealerships that may not have the financial buffer to absorb the impact of multiple loan defaults. 3. Focus on core business activities. Managing a portfolio of BH accounts requires time, effort, and resources, especially in tracking payments and managing defaults. Selling these accounts allows dealerships to redirect their focus and resources towards core business activities such as sales, customer service, and inventory management, ultimately leading to a more efficient and streamlined business operation. 4. Avoiding collection hassles. The collection process for BH accounts can be challenging and time-consuming. By selling these accounts, dealerships can avoid the hassles and legal complexities associated with collections. This not only saves time, but also spares the dealership from potential reputational risks that can arise from aggressive collection practices. 5. Opportunity for repeat business. When dealerships sell their BH accounts and the associated risks, they are in a better position to offer financing to new customers, including those who might not qualify for traditional loans. This approach can lead to an increase in sales and a broader customer base, as well as the opportunity for repeat business from satisfied customers. 6. Better financial planning and stability. Selling BH accounts provides a more predictable and stable financial outlook for dealerships, instead of relying on staggered payments over an extended period. Receiving a lump sum for these accounts enables better financial planning and budgeting. 7. Enhanced reputation. By focusing on selling vehicles rather than managing loan accounts, dealerships can enhance their reputation as a customer-centric business. Contact Financial Solutions to find out more.